Hey, go on, out you go. You don't live here anymore. These are the babies all grown up. I've got them huge now. It's a very big difference in size in the roosters though. That's a black one. I'll probably have to show you a comparison. And hello, how are you? I don't think I can reach up there. Sorry. Oh, someone's picking. And this one has an obsession with picking my trackies for some reason. Hello? Alright. Hey, I can't reach you. Hey, yeah, you're very pretty. And you've got a girlfriend over there, hey? Alright. Oh. Hey, mister. That's the door open. Sorry, you gotta get out. Hello? Hey, buddy. Come on. Over here. Come on. No, it's not interested. Come on. Hey, mister. Over here. No. It's not your home anymore. Go on. There you go. That way. Go on. There you go. Go on. I have to kick you. I mean, not, shove him with my foot. Okay. Hello. My arms are too short. You gonna climb down there, maybe? I'm gonna have to get a crate. You too? I mean, I'm too short. No, I can't reach. Whoa, you're very pretty. I wonder if I can stand on this thing here. Is it stable enough? Ready? Oh, this is gonna go so badly. Here you go. Here you go. No. No good. Okay. Alright then.